Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everybody, I'm Faris bin Ibrahim bin Jardan. Today we have our lesson equations made by Faris Ibrahim bin Jardan, class 2-1, supervised by Mr. Ahmed Abdul Hamid Ramadan. First, what does equation means? An equation is a mathematical sentence showing two expressions are equal. An equation contains an equals sign. So, an equation is a mathematical sentence containing two expressions are equal, and the equation contains an equal sign, and this is the equal sign. Let's take an example for the equation. Here we have an equation, and it's x plus 2 equals 5. Okay, how do we know that this is an equation? Because we have two expressions. The first expression is x plus 2 and the second expression is 5, and this equation contains equal sign. So we know that this is an equation. An expression is a mathematical sentence, and here is an example for the expression. Second, solve addition and subtraction equations mentally. When you replace a variable with a value that results in a true sentence, you solve the equation. That value for the variable is the solution of the equation. Okay, so the solution of the equation is when we replace a variable with a value that results in a true sentence. The solution here is the value of this variable. Let's take two examples. The first example is 4, 5, or 6 the solution of the equation a plus 7 equals 13? Let's test. If a equals 4, does 4 plus 7 equals 13? No, because 4 plus 7 equals 11, not 13. Let's take the second value and replace the variable with this value. If a equals 5, does 5 plus 7 equals 13? No, because 5 plus 7 equals 12. So it's wrong. Let's go to the last value and replace the variable with this value. If a equals 6, does 6 plus 7 equals 13? Yes, it's a true mathematical sentence. So the solution here is a equals 6. Let's go to the second example. Solve x minus 3 equals 7 mentally. Okay, in the beginning, what number minus 3 equals 7? I know that 10 minus 3 equals 7. So the solution here is x equals 10. The total cost of a pair of skates and knee pads is $63. The skates cost $45. Use the guess, check, and revise the strategy to solve the equation 45 plus k equals 63 to find k, the cost of knee pads. In the beginning, we will write the equation 45 plus k equals 63. We have two expressions, a 45 plus k and a 63. Okay, so k equals 63 minus 45, and the result is 18. So the solution here is k equals 18. solve multiplication and divisions equations mentally. Multiplication and division equations are solved in a similar way to addition and subtraction equations. Let's take an example. The first example is 3, 4, or 5? The solution of the equation 18 equals 6a, or 6 times a. Let's test these variables and replace it with this variable. Okay, the first value is 3, so we will replace a with 3. If a equals 3, does 18 equals 6 times 3? Yes, it's a true mathematical sentence because 6 times 3 equals 18. So we don't have to test the other values. Let's go to the second example. So 16 divide s mentally. In the beginning, what is the number? Divide 16 equals 8. I know that it's 2 because 16 divide 2 equals 8. So the solution here is s equals 2. Mazen bought 72 sticks of gum. There are 8 sticks of gum in each package. Use the guess, check, and revise strategy to solve the equation 8 times p equals 75 to find p, the number of packages Mazen bought. Okay, so we will write the equation 8 times p equals 72. Okay, what number that if we multiply it with 8, the result is 72. I know that if we multiply 8 by 9, the result is 72. So the solution is that p equals 9. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching this video. With you was the student Faris Ibrahim bin Jablan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.